Ready to transform your digital art game and unlock a whole new level of creative control with your drawing pad and Adobe Photoshop. First things first, let's get your drawing pad set up. Most pads connect easily via USB, meaning you just plug it in. Make sure your drawing pad's drivers are installed correctly. These are usually on a disk that came with it, or you can download them from the manufacturer's website once installed. Restart your computer. Now, open Adobe Photoshop, go to File, then New, and create a new document. Pick your desired dimensions for your art. With your document open, select the brush tool from the toolbar on the left, or press B on your keyboard to ensure your pen pressure is being used. Go to the brush settings panel. Here you can adjust settings like size and opacity. For size, make sure pen pressure is checked. For the size jitter, test it out by drawing a line. You should see that the harder you press, the thicker the line becomes, and the lighter you press, the thinner the line. Do the same with opacity so you can control transparency. Experiment with these settings to find your preferred feel. Now the fun really starts. Explore different brush types. Photoshop offers a huge library. Use your pen to sketch, paint, and add details. A pen pressure allows for incredible control over the flow and intensity of your strokes, giving your digital art a natural, hand-drawn feel. From initial sketches to the final touches, your pen drawing pad in Photoshop has the potential to help you create stunning artwork. Keep practicing, experimenting, and most importantly, have fun.